today we're back with another video yet again. And in today's video, apparently my brother's playing with a box. Fun. But
nope, that actually hurt.
Seriously, we're opening a VEX Robotics EDR Kit. We actually opened it already, but
yay,
technology is not working. Woohoo! But the video got messed up and stuff. But anyways, before we get started, I would like to say that if the camera quality is weird and different, whatever, it's because I'm using my computer to film this, because first of all, my phone's dead, and second of all, I want to try something different. And my brother just high-fived me for no reason.
Hello.
But yeah, and also, if you don't know what VEX is,
It's this. I'm going to show them the box that's already destroyed.
yeah, but they're a company that makes a lot of like electronics and stuff, like battle bots. They created battle bots. Here's the box, VEX EDR.
I destroyed it.
Yep. But yeah. Also, when we were recording before, my brother wanted to show this moon buggy I made.
Moon buggy.
It's solar powered, as you can see by the solar panel here.
He also made this. He's starting to make this.
I started making a Mars rover, but I haven't finished it yet.
I'm going to show them the progress.
It's a moon buggy. It's pretty cool.
Oh,
There's a satellite on there and stuff, but yeah.
For
Anyway.
some reason, this is flipped.
It's okay. It's not done.
There you go.
Okay. Here's the Mars rover so far that my brother wanted to show. But anyways, so I'm just going to say a couple. Oh, he wants to show you this cat thing that I made. It was my first 3D print, and he's obsessed with it for some reason.
It's
This
so
little
cool.
waving cat guy. It'll be right above the camera. But anyways, here I'm just going to explain a couple things that I got while my brother plays with the box.
And I'm sitting in it. It's comfortable.
Sitting in a comfortable box.
Okay,
Comfortable box.
Yeah, yeah.
But here's, I'm just gonna explain stuff. Here's two base plates. They're 30 by 15 holes or whatever. Here's a booster kit. I'm not really sure what that is, but also here's a clawbot kit. So me and my brother will probably make that together since he's getting interested in robotics
Yes,
now.
please.
And we'll do a video on that most likely. But also, if you're wondering why I have all this stuff, it's for robotics class in school that I'm taking. It's my elective.
You're the
I'm smart robot man.
controller, the person.
Yeah, I'm the head driver. Which I'll show you the controller that I got.
Didn't your friend got one too, right?
Yeah, one of my
Did the
friends
class
got one.
meet you went in? Yeah.
So, we all got this stuff because social distancing, pandemic stuff, and also if you hear that dog barking, it's my new dog. Comment down below if you want to see a video
It's like his
of her.
third dog.
A short little video of her. I don't only have one dog. I've had dogs in the past.
No,
but-
Buster, Houdini,
Yeah, but we had to give them away.
the robber, the runaway,
We had-
Houdini.
yeah. The escape artist. We had to give them away though because we had to move somewhere. But anyway, here's the
Buster
controller.
moved to Utah.
Here's the controller. The lighting's
Can
a
I see
little
it for a
weird. Here's VEX controller. Pretty cool. Yeah. It's battery powered, 6 AAA
Pumpkin
batteries,
face.
and he
Yeah,
wants
thank
to
you.
whip
Thank you.
90s. Yep. Here, and since it takes 6 AAA batteries, it came with 6 AAA batteries.
Oh my god!
And
Is that?
it came with a battery charger, which is really cool that they
What
did
if it's not, that's not even 6? What if it's like 10 and you only need 6? This is
thing
fun.
holds 8. This says it's 6, and then you count 6. But yeah, that takes 6. But yeah. Here, I'll show everything. Can you go turn that light on? Actually, the lighting's getting a little weird in here.
There you go. Yeah.
While you do that, I'm gonna put this controller back. Lighting's gonna change. Okay, there we go. Lighting's
There you go.
adjusted. Okay, but now I'm gonna show everything we got. It's all over here. It's all over here. My Star Wars poster up there. Dude, don't get in the camera. Stop it. Leave me alone. But here's all the stuff. Yeah. There's so much stuff here. A lot of little pieces. Definitely can't let my dog in here. She'll eat it all.
Oh heck no.
But yeah. that's everything. And she's barking. Probably because she's in her cage right now, but...
Cage? I'm gonna go open it.
No, don't open it, please. But, yeah. And before we go, before we wrap up this video... Okay. It's because it's memory foam. But, before we go, this short little video, I just wanted to let you know, if you like this video, push the like button down below, down there, in our first floor.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you can be included in all the new videos.
Whatever he just said, just do what he said.
And also, if you want to see a little short video of our dog,
comment down below, doggy. Yeah. And also, if you want to see more videos with my brother in it, comment down below, say, bro! Like 5 O's. And then, yeah, if you want to see more robotics videos, comment down below robot. So there's a lot of different things you can comment down below.
Please comment down robot the most, because robotics videos are probably my favorite and
because
Pelican Play's favorite. And he's cool.
Yeah. He's getting into robotics now that I have my own kit at our house. So yeah. If you die,
it ran out of gas.
Oh, it ran out of gas. The moon buggy ran out of gas, even though it's solar powered. And it's electric.
Oh, that's fast.
It doesn't use gas.
Wait.
It's not even done yet. It's just like gears.
What are the wheels?
There's not any yet.
Oh.
It's rolling on the little orange things. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button and subscribe to me if you like my content. And yeah, I hope you guys did like this video. Yeah, and peace out, everybody.
Wait.
What?
Get to 10,000 subs.
10,000. I'm only at like 30 something, dude.
Get to 10,000 cubs.
10,000 cubs? What?
Get to 10,000 subs.
Okay. Just do what he said. Sure. Go ahead. But yeah.
Hopefully.
Peace out, everybody. See you next time.